Hi, and welcome to this workshop on my YouTube channel. I'm really glad that you're going to watch this video. This will be a workshop, so make sure in the first place that you have some pen and paper with you. And in between, we will have some questions and some journal prompts to get over. So you can just pause the video and then write some things down and can get further with the video in your own time. So let's get started. This is about the imposter syndrome. And I'm gonna explain what the internet says about what it is all about. So, the imposter syndrome often occurs alongside depression and anxiety, and depression can make it difficult for you to acknowledge your victories and strengths, while anxiety can lead you to fix it on how others perceive you. Failing to reach your own high standards will only further contribute to feelings of anxiety or despair. And it's about doubting your abilities and feeling like a fraud in every situation, feeling like someone's gonna find out that you don't belong in a position or place or realize that you aren't worthy of everything you've accomplished. And this last part really resonates to me because I feel like when I show myself as kind of like the person that I want to become, or with a little bit more authority, or just being my authentic self, that I get negative comments of people that are telling me that I can't show up like that person, like myself, because they think I'm not worthy of being that kind of person. And by that anxiety, I keep myself small. I keep myself not showing up as my authentic self, while in fact it is me. It's a persistent of self-doubt, a fear of being exposed, anxiety and stress, and difficulty in processing praise. So now I'm gonna share with you a journal prompt. I will have some questions and make sure that you have your pen and paper with you and that after one question you can just pause the video for a couple of minutes, write things down for yourself on which you can reflect also later, and then go further with the next question. So the first question for you is, what does the term imposter syndrome means to you? I just showed you a couple of phrases from the internet, but what does it exactly mean to you? What are words, definitions, situations, etc. that you relate to this phenomenon? So now pause the video, take a couple of minutes, between 2 and 5 minutes, to reflect on this for yourself. Second question. Look back on yourself and your life 1 year ago. What has changed in you, your actions, your growth, and what goals did you achieve? Not what you think you failed into, no, what goals did you achieve? So pause the video, take 2 to 5 minutes, and write down what goals did you achieve last year. Next question. How do you feel about those goals that you realized? Those goals you just been written down, those milestones you achieved. How do you feel about reaching that? Can you be happy, grateful, empowered, strong, thrived, or driven? Take a couple of next minutes, maybe now 2 to 3 minutes, a little bit shorter, to write the emotions down that you feel about yourself while you know that you reached those goals. Next question. And know that all that happened, all those goals you achieved, was up to you. Can or may you be and feel truly proud of yourself. May you feel truly proud of yourself by achieving those milestones and that it was up to you. Is that a yes or is that a no? And there's no good or bad in here. Feel free to share it with some people that are close to you, but also be open about when you said no, what is blocking you? What is blocking you in feeling proud of yourself? Take maybe 2 to 5 minutes again to really feel like, hey, can I be proud of myself or not? And if that's a no, why? Where does it come from? And why do I feel so about that? And do 7 layers of why about why that block is there. And how do you feel about that? So it's a little bit of a reflection. And give yourself some time and space to reflect on your thoughts, your achievements, and what makes you or blocks you in being proud of yourself. Where does it come from? Did you have experience that stopped you from being proud when you were a child? You've grown up in a certain kind of way, or a situation more recently formed your belief, which doesn't help you in stepping into a new, solid, and more confident version of yourself. Think about it, and you don't have to decide or reflect on it now, but you can also take that as a journal prompt to reflect on later after watching this video. And the most important thing is that you are not alone. You don't have to figure it out on your own, but there are things in life you have to do independently. There are goals you want only for yourself, and achieving a milestone, stepping into a huge fear, or facing a struggle that you've been hiding for years is something that you deserve to be proud of because you stepped into that. You made it. You did it anyway, and that is something only one person could have overcome. And that is you. It takes strength to be proud of yourself and to accept yourself when you know that you have something out of the ordinary about you. And that's the key because you are unique and you have your own goals. And if you achieve them, you step into your fears, your anxieties, overcome them, get a breakthrough in life for yourself. You may be so damn proud of achieving that. And I hope that if you reflect on that and know where it comes from, that you can be open. Just talk about it, share it with people that are close to you, and also make that space open for yourself to be proud because you are unique, you're special, and you're worthy of being proud of what you achieved, not only the last year, but throughout your whole life. I hope this workshop will help you reflect on the blocks that are inside of you. And if you want to know a little bit more about what I do and how I support others, just go to the link in the description box. You can apply there for the training platform, and you can go to my Instagram page to get in a chat with me and get some more information. I hope this will help you, and I see you in the next video.